This here's the Crazy Mouse at Tropic Falls at Oa in Alabama. This is a Zamperla spinning wild mouse. I believe it's the 420 STD model, which is a hysterical name. Yeah, this is similar to the older spinning wild mice, but the layout's a bit more compact. Some of the elements were adjusted to be more comfortable. There are a few of the older ones that you can really get thrown around a little bit. I enjoyed that, but it probably makes it a little better for families. Here we go. Starts with the usual hairpin turns. These guys really pick it up in the second half once the spin starts. Yeah, the second drop in these dudes is pretty good because it has some zip to it. Yeah, you can see here it's not a double up, it's just a one straight up on this one. And the spinning's about to start. Oh, that's a good spin. Yeah, definitely sit on the end if you're off balance until you get this thing spinning the most. And that's Crazy Mouse. Yeah, this is probably the park's best family coaster. Probably hear the screams of their inverting frisbee right next to me right now, but